Imagine a group of children visiting the zoo. They are exploring and observing various animal species. They heard a roar to your left, seen a stripy tail in front, and a fluffy ear on your right. Now, what do you think they are doing? What kind of animals are they noticing? Can you tell which is a cat and which is a dog just by listening or picking? Today, let's crack the secret code that helps scientists tell who's who in the animal world and why it's matter even more than you think. As we dive deeper into their journey, we will see what they have observed and discuss how these species contribute to our ecosystem. Let's begin our lesson and explore together. Hello everyone, welcome to my science diary. Today we are going to understand what the word species means. We will learn how cats and dogs and other animals, even though they show variations, are still different species. Okay, let's understand this word species.
Scan complete. Confirmed cloud.
A species is like a very exclusive club. Only animals with special passes means some characteristics get in. Cat and dogs may look different, but they stick to their family group. Scientists have discovered at least 5 million different exclusive animal clubs called species on the earth. Okay, viewers, let's make it simple. A species is a group of living organisms that share the same important characteristics. Members of same species can reproduce with each other and produce fertile offsprings. This means their babies can also grow up and have more babies. So, how do we know what's the same species? Cats can be tiny and fluffy or big and growly, but members of the same species can breed and have young that can grow up and have babies of their own. That's the club main rule. Means cat and dog shows the variations. Look at the cat and dogs. Even within each group, they show a lot of variation. Some cats they have long fur, some they have short, some dogs are big, some are very small. These differences are called variations, but still all cats share some common cat-like characteristics and all dogs it share their dog-like traits. So, cat and dogs look different from each other. All cats share certain features in their faces, like whiskers, eye shape, and body movement. And on the other side, all dogs also share some common dog like features. This is why cat and dogs belong to the separate species. Why do some animals look alike and why do others look different? So, how scientists or what scientists use to decide species? Scientists sometimes find it difficult to decide whether two animals belong to the same species. The member of one species can sometimes look very different, but with the help of characteristics, appearance, and reproductive ability, the scientist can classify animals into the correct species. So now we know that a species is a group of similar animals, or we can say that a group of organisms that can breed with each other and produce fertile offsprings. Fertile means the baby can also grown up and have their own babies. Cat and dog shows the variations within their group, but each group stays a separate species because they share common features within their own group. So now let's learn about who discovered the species and how living things are classified. Long ago, scientists did not have a way to organize all the different plant and animals. Then came a Swedish scientist named Carl Linnaeus in the 1700s. He gave us the system of naming and classifying species that we still use today. This is called the Linnean system. Each species has a two-part Latin name called binomial nomenclature. For example, humans are called Homo sapiens. Later scientists like Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace explain how species change and evolve over time through the natural selections. So, Linnaeus discovered the idea of classifying species, and Darwin and Wallace discovered how species evolve. So, this is how scientists understand the diversity of life on the earth. Let's wrap up this video. In the next one, we will dive into the topic of hybrids in the species. Looking forward to seeing you there. Till then, see you and thank you for listening me.